Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have access and permission. Now create the list. Go to the SharePoint site, click New and select List. This begins the structure. Pick a template or choose blank to control fields. Name the list clearly so others find it. Once created, open settings to configure columns immediately. Add choice, date, number types where needed to enforce data quality. Doing this first saves cleanup later and makes forms consistent for you and your team. Next, design the data model so entries are useful. You add columns, choice for categories, date for deadlines, person for owner, because structured fields enable filtering and automation. Then create views, a compact table for bulk edits, a calendar for dates, and a filtered view for specific teams. Make key fields required and set sensible defaults so new items aren't incomplete. Once done, test by adding sample items, finalize by automating and sharing so the list works for everyone. Use Power Automate to send notifications or start approvals when items change, because automation reduces manual steps and errors. Share the list with specific groups, assign edit or view permissions, and explain which view to use. If things go wrong, first check your permissions and column internal names. Those often break integrations, then clear browser cache and retest. If automation fails, inspect the flow run history to see the exact error and where to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.